obsessed with it right away. For the beach, you know it's not gonna be see-through. Hey guys, it's Lydia. If you're new here, hi and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a CUPSHE try-on-all first impression review for you guys. CUPSHE is a bikini company. They also have dresses, swim cover-ups, all that kind of stuff. They're designed to be like a fun company for people all over the world. Free shipping over $49, amazing. Their prices range from $30, so it's like affordable but still good quality. And let's just get right into it. I picked out pieces to be like outfits together. This was the first thing I saw and I was absolutely obsessed with it right away. It is this black crossover in the front knit dress. This was, I think, $30, but it is such thick, good quality. You know it's not gonna be see-through. When I was picking this dress out, I instantly thought it would look adorable with this glitter bag. So I'm so excited about this. Like, are you kidding? This is the cutest dress ever. It's not too short. You can't really pull it down too much, but I would say it's like the perfect length. It's like this really pretty, you can see in the light, knitted material, but the way the seams are is like really flattering in a really cute way. The back, super cute. It's really soft, and even though it's like a knitted material, it's not scratchy. Okay, it is riding up quite a bit in the back, so maybe I would size up actually. If I had to rate this out of 10, I would give this a 7 because it's really cute, but it is riding up a little bit. So I got 2 dresses. The next one is a red silk one. I got this to wear to my friend's wedding actually. She's having like an autumn themed wedding, so I thought this red dress would be so cute. And it just has a slit on the bottom here. I love this. This is like the prettiest dress I've ever seen. I'm obsessed with this. The cutout is so flattering. I love the little string here. The slit on the side is just the perfect length. It's not too high. I'm gonna go put on a pair of heels and never take this off. It's actually so comfy. Like, I'm actually obsessed with this dress, you guys. And the straps are adjustable here too, and you don't even need a bra. 10 out of 10 for this dress. And then to go with it, I picked out these black strappy sandals. I still haven't taken them off. Really thick and good quality, and I think these were only $10. Really cute shoes, $10. You really can't go wrong. Next, we're moving into the beachwear. So I got this to all go together as well. I got this cute little bucket hat with this white linen shirt. I'm literally just putting on this outfit now. This little wicker bag. I think it's a wicker bag. I don't really know what it's called. This is just gonna be such a cute outfit for the beach. I'm so excited to wear this there. Now, last but not least, I picked out a bikini. I was thinking this white linen shirt over this bikini. I'm taking this off. I couldn't take myself seriously in that hat. So like I was saying, you can buy the bikinis in different sizes. So if you're not like, for example, a small in the top, you don't need to be a small in the bottom. You could be a medium, whatever. And all of these sizes, I've noticed, like I have tried these on before, they all do run true to size. Whatever you typically are, I'd get the same in this brand. Just this really pretty floral pattern. This is the JoJo Fletcher collection. It's just so cute. I love the color. The back of this one is adjustable too, which I always recommend. Adjustable bikinis. For the bikini, I do really like it. I like that the strings in the back aren't that long, so it's not super awkward to tie. As you can see, there's not a lot of extra fabric there. Overall, yeah, get bikini. Just a little disclaimer, I will never falsely advertise for a company if I do not like their products. I'm just making that clear now. I'm never gonna work with a company that I don't actually like, so I will always give my true, honest opinions. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have a link down in the description below to all of the products. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.